Alright, the next one here is some stamps. There are going to be some that I put a bunch together like the ones I had just shown. Some of them may not work out that way, so I don't want to get the shipping too high on some of these. Anyway, the first one's going to be a greeting farm Fleur Anya, and I think I've used this maybe once or twice. There. Alright, and the next one is Greeting Farm Flutter Anya. I know I've used that one at least once. The next one is CC Designs Gardening Twyla. I know I've used that once or twice as well. And then this one is Candy Bean Izzy's Bumblebee. This one is so super cute. I had never used it, and I've always wanted to because I love bees. So it's not even mounted yet or cut out or anything. And then Stamping Bella. This one is Edna with cupcake on top. And I've never used this one either. I think I got this one in a Destash a long time ago, and I'm just not into Stamping Bella too much, so, but it has been used, not by me. Okay, all right, and this lot is going to be $25 shipped. Let's see, yeah, so US shipping, friends and family, PayPal, and just let me know down in the description if you would like it. All right, thanks guys.